Place a small circle tag on your stamping block and position a stamp of your choice in the center of the tag, making sure that the ImpressArt logo on the side of the stamp is facing you. Then hold the stamp flat and firmly in place by applying a little bit of pressure and anchoring your hand onto the block and or table. Then take your stamping hammer and give the stamp one hard hit. And you'll leave your first impression. If you're having trouble keeping your tag still, you can take a piece of stamp tape and place it directly over the tag to secure it to the stamping block. And you'll use the same technique, holding it flat and firmly in place. Then take your stamping hammer, giving it one hard hit, and you'll stamp through the tape into the tag, leaving your second impression. Now select your 6mm design stamp, and when stamping with 6mm and larger stamps, or with stamps with more details, you'll use a special stamping technique called a tap and tilt. So you're going to place the stamp in the center of the tag, then take your metal stamping hammer and strike the stamp head on. Then without lifting the stamp, continue to strike while very slightly tilting the stamp in a circular motion to catch all sides of the design. Once you're done stamping your desired amount of tags for your project, take your stamp enamel marker and highlight the impressions, making sure you cover the entire letter or the details of the design that you just stamped. And you'll wait about 3 minutes, give or take, until the enamel dries completely. Once dry, take a paper towel and lightly wipe away the excess enamel from the surface of the tag. And if you're having trouble removing the enamel, you can use a little bit of rubbing alcohol on the paper towel to help you. Once the enamel is removed, we're ready to attach our tags to jump rings. So you'll use chain nose pliers, one in each hand, to grab the jump ring on each side of the opening. Then you'll laterally twist the jump ring apart to open the ring. And while still holding the jump ring with one plier, slide the circle tag onto the jump ring. Then use the chain nose pliers to laterally twist the jump ring back with tension to close, moving the ring ends past each other a couple times until you hear a click. And you'll repeat the same technique to attach the remaining tags to jump rings, making sure you're not pulling outwards on the ring as you will ruin the circular shape. And you constantly use the laterally twisting motion to open and close the ring. Once all your tags are attached to jump rings, you'll take your ball chain necklace and slide your stamped pendants onto the ball chain in the preferred order. Then to complete your necklace, you're going to close the clasp by inserting a small ball into the socket and pulling until it clicks.